Good morning, students. In this session, we will learn about some of the important question based on the pedigree chart also and some of the important question related to the genetics. Now, the first question here, a normal visioned woman whose father is colorblind married a normal visioned man. What are the possibilities of her sons or daughters to be colorblind? Explain with the help of Punnett square. Now, generally, we have seen the genotype, what is colorblind, how it happens. Now, here the question is asked: a woman is normal vision, means she is having a normal vision, and father is colorblind. So, married a normal vision man. What happens? What are the possibilities of sons and daughters to be the colorblind? So, we have to explain with the help of Punnett square. Now here the answer it is given. You can see here, students, color blindness is an X-linked recessive trait caused due to the defective allele on the X chromosome. Means the gene for this color blind, it is only present on the X chromosome and it is represented as this. You can see that is on the X small c it is written, and why is that? Whenever the father is color blind, you have to write like this way. And the woman has colorblind father. Her vision is normal. This implies that she is a carrier of the trait. Therefore, her genotype would be as follows. That is, the carrier woman marries a man with a normal vision. Okay, so here XY is for normal man and carrier woman is there. So this is the genotype. And so whenever the cross is arranged, first this is crossed with this X, so again the daughter will be carrier, this is crossed with this Y, so the son will be colorblind as the gene for colorblind is present on X, and the males they have only one X. So ultimately, if the gene for this set is present on X and the particular individual is male, so he will be the colorblind. Again the second X, that is, it is cross multiplied this X, then the daughter will be normal, and again the X it is multiplied with this Y, the sons are normal. So the answer here is as follows, that from the above Punnett square we can conclude that 50% of the daughters are carrier while 50% are normal. Here you can see half of the daughter are normal, half of the they are the carriers, and 50% of the son are colorblind, and while 50% are normal. So whenever such type of question are asked, you have to write answer like this way. I hope this answer is clear to you, what it has been asked and how we have displayed with the help of the Punnett square, and then you have to write down the conclusion that how much percentage of daughter and sons are normal, colorblind or the carrier. Thank you.